Here is a gorgeous gift bag and also a box. These were sent to me so I could try them out, so let's get them set up. Okay, so first we have this gorgeous bag that's excellent for gifting. This is one of those where everybody will keep it and just keep reusing it. I would hope so. I always keep bags like this and use them over and over. It's super sturdy. Like, it's thick, very sturdy.
Ooh, and I like the ribbon.
Yeah, it looks like really luxury, actually. Like you'd get it in a really high-end boutique or something. There we go. Gorgeous. Then the box. Ooh,
Wow.
look at that. Ooh, wow. Yeah, better be a good gift that goes in here. You fold this down. There we go. These out of the way and fold this one down. And it comes with everything you need to make it like a really nice gift, or, you know, to gift wrap really nicely. You've got this tissue paper and then even more ribbon and even a card that says best wishes. I like the red and gold. You could write your best wishes in here and then you shut the box like this. No wrapping needed, in my opinion. I don't even think you would need to wrap this. Just gift it like this. Look at the detail over here. Again, this box can be reused. I would even use this as a storage box, and I like the way it opens. That's really cool. Like this. So again, excellent for gifting or even storage. This is very sturdy, high quality, and thick. Just a real high quality box.